Imagine you are about to head out for a fantastic ride. You turn the key, and instead of a strong, confident glow, your motorcycle's lights start to flicker. That quick flash of dimness can instantly raise a concern. You might ask yourself, is this it? Is my battery completely dead, and my day of riding over before it even began? Flickering lights on your motorcycle can definitely be a strong indicator of a failing or deeply discharged battery, but it does not always mean it is completely dead. More accurately, it signals an issue within your motorcycle's vital electrical charging system that truly needs your prompt attention and diagnosis. Your motorcycle relies on a carefully balanced three-part system to keep all its electrical components running smoothly and reliably. First, there is the battery, which is your bike's power reservoir, providing the initial burst of energy to start the engine and then acting as a buffer to stabilize the electrical current. Once the engine roars to life, the stator, often referred to as your bike's alternator or generator, begins producing alternating current as the engine spins. This raw alternating current is then directed to the crucial regulator rectifier. This component has two primary jobs. First, to convert the alternating current from the stator into usable direct current, and second, to regulate that direct current to ensure it charges the battery at a consistent and safe voltage, typically between 13.5 and 14.5 volts. If any part of this intricate system is not performing its duties correctly, perhaps a stator that is not generating enough power, a regulator rectifier that is failing to convert or regulate the voltage properly, or even simple loose or corroded battery connections, you will quickly observe symptoms like flickering lights. This happens because there is not a steady and sufficient power supply consistently reaching your headlamps, taillights, and other critical electrical components. To accurately pinpoint what is truly causing your lights to flicker, you will want to start with a thorough visual inspection. Begin by carefully checking your battery terminals for any visible signs of corrosion, which looks like a white or greenish crust, or for any loose connections. Ensure they are perfectly clean and securely tightened. Next, a critical step is to use a reliable multimeter set to measure direct current voltage. With your motorcycle engine completely off, measure the battery's voltage directly across the terminals. A healthy, fully charged 12-volt motorcycle battery should read approximately 12.6 volts or ideally even higher. If your reading is significantly lower, such as 12.0 volts or less, you are certainly dealing with a deeply discharged battery. After this, with the engine now running, you can test the entire charging system. At around 3,000 to 5,000 revolutions per minute, your battery voltage should consistently read somewhere between 13.5 and 14.5 volts. If this reading is consistently lower, it strongly suggests your charging system, whether the stator or the regulator rectifier, might be struggling to keep your battery adequately charged. Here is a valuable tip for proper diagnosis. It is crucial to remember that a quick voltage reading on a battery might sometimes only show its surface charge. This is a temporary, deceptively high reading that can quickly drop once the battery is placed under actual load, like trying to start the bike or power its lights for an extended period. To get the most accurate assessment, especially if the voltage seems acceptable but your lights still flicker, allow your battery to rest for a few hours after charging it, or consider using a specialized battery load tester if you have access to one. Many modern motorcycles are also equipped with a sophisticated battery management system, or BMS, which continuously monitors charge and discharge cycles, providing more detailed diagnostics directly through the bike's display. Understanding these subtle nuances helps you avoid the common mistake of replacing a perfectly good battery prematurely. So, while flickering lights are certainly an urgent call for investigation, they are also an excellent opportunity to gain a deeper understanding of your motorcycle's intricate electrical system. By dedicating a little time to performing these straightforward checks and clearly understanding the essential roles of the battery, the stator, and the regulator rectifier, you can confidently diagnose the actual root cause of the issue. This invaluable knowledge not only helps you maintain your cherished bike more effectively but also significantly prevents unexpected breakdowns, ultimately keeping you safe and allowing you to fully enjoy every mile of the open road.